Hi there and welcome to today's video. This time round we are in Enkutoto in Kajiado County. Enkutoto means a hidden place, and believe me, this place is super hidden. And so today we're installing a solar powered water pump. Join me as I take you through the whole process. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to leave any comments or any suggestions. Before we proceed to Enkutoto, we stopped at Sultan Hamoud to at least have something to eat. We will now proceed to Enkutoto and go do the installation. The roads are not very good, but we will manage. The very first step will be to build the frames on which we will mount the solar panels, and we're doing this near the borehole. This is to avoid any energy losses. After the frame is ready, we are then going to do the wiring and also do the settings on the inverter before mounting the inverter and the solar panels. We are going to run the inverter for it to power the pump, which will pump water from the borehole to the tanks that have been set up in the homestead. The frame has to stand firm on the ground, and therefore we will go ahead and make concrete to pour and fill in the holes in which we have the stands for the frame. That is it for today's video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and lastly, it wouldn't hurt to recommend the video to your friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Just in case you're wondering, the trees were cut because we need as much sunlight as possible to shine on the solar panels.